Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video we will be learning how to accept a friend request in Township game. To accept a friend request in Township, first of all, open the Township application on your device and log into your account. Once you're in the main gameplay page, go ahead and look for the friends icon located at the bottom left corner. Now, on the Friends tab, look for this envelope icon at the top and tap on that. There you will be able to see a list of friend requests that you have received. To accept the friend request from the person, tap on Accept right underneath their request. You will then be able to add the person to your friend list. Repeat this process for every other friend request you like to accept, and there you go. Now the person will be added in your Friends tab, and that's it. You can now interact with them in the game, such as sending gifts or visiting their town. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.